Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make literally the most annoying sound ever. So get like a glass window or something. Like, I can't switch the thing. But get a glass window like that. And then what you want to do is put your hand up there. You hear that? That's so annoying. It's more effective with 2 hands. It's annoying as heck. So if you want to annoy anyone, just do this. And then, yeah, the person you want to annoy will be annoyed.